This evening we've had a lot of fun hosting a community walking tour, looking at some of the projects we've been doing in the Bryant neighborhood around sustainability and our decarbonization initiatives here. So we've had residents of the neighborhood and participants of our program sharing their experiences receiving resources through these programs, including getting solar systems with batteries installed on their homes and other home upgrades, including home repair, some roof replacements, energy efficiency measures. It can be great to have someone who's part of a program and a staff member explain how something works to you, but if you can hear from a fellow resident that has had something installed on their home and can share their personal experience, I think that's one of the best ways for people to learn about what it actually is like to get a solar array installed on your roof. We're really grateful for the residents this evening that have offered their time to share their experience with our guests today. The ideas are starting to flourish, and we still consider ourselves in the early stages, particularly for the SEU and solar. The long-term goal is to be citywide and installing thousands of solar systems. So starting with 100 is a baby step, but it's a huge important step in that development pipeline. And similarly for the projects here in the neighborhood, we started with no ideas of how we were going to fund this work. And now we've provided upgrades to more than 100 households in the neighborhood. If you want to learn more about solar and the sustainable energy utility, you can look up online Ann Arbor SEU or Ann Arbor Sustainable Energy Utility. There's a web page with information about what the sustainable energy utility is. It has an FAQ page. You can also sign up for formal interest once we start installing systems citywide. If you sign up on that interest form, the SEU will be in touch with you when we're starting to do more installations.